Hello everyone! Today I want to help out everyone that is on Facebook and needs to post pictures into an album on a Facebook group. I will be showing you on my computer, but I also have two different ways to post from your phone into albums onto Facebook groups. So posting pictures into an album is a great thing. If you were only to post into the feed, most people will never see it and it cannot be easily found anymore. And the other thing is, if you are searching for inspiration on a subject or just want to see what others did, you go to an album, you click on it and you have hundreds of pictures on that particular subject. So posting into a Facebook group album is a great thing. So let's do it. So I'm in a group right now and I'm going to photos. It's on this right side. So here you have discussion, that's the feed. And then you go to photos. And then you have here photos, album, videos. So you go to albums and then I need to scroll down. So I'm scrolling down and here you see all the albums. If your album is not there, then click here and you have a second page with albums and so on. The trick now is with albums you can look back. So this is 2018, this is 2017, so you can look back and find all your inspiration, all your own entries as well if you click on the album. I'll go to week 12 because I already have my picture in there, but I have this picture on this computer so I can show you. You can click here, there will be something that says videos or photo add, because mine is obviously in Dutch. So here you see my photos. This is the photo from this week. So I'll click on this one. I can double click on it, or I click once and open. So double click will give me this and it will open immediately. It will upload, you can see that here. It's uploaded and then I can add my text here. So either you can say something about your process, about what you want to say about your picture, use a hashtag, or just say week 12 in this case. And then here you cannot see that, sorry, I zoomed in too far. There in the bottom corner, right there, you can see a blue button. So you click the button and it will automatically add your picture. So I will do that right now just for video purposes and then delete it again because it's already in there. So there it goes. And now I have to scroll down because this is the one, but I posted that before and you can see it here again. So I'm going to immediately delete it. So I click on this icon, it gives me several options and the last one says delete. So, and then it's deleted. So that's one option. So here I am in my own group. So that's one way to show you, because I don't know what your layout looks like. So we have my page, then we have here, I can scroll, so it says discussion, pictures and albums. So I'm gonna click albums and I made one album and there's nothing in there yet. So I'm clicking on this album and then it says here I can add a photo. So I click on add photos and now I have to go down. So I scroll till I find the picture that I want and I cannot find it, sorry guys. Yeah, here I have one. So I click on the picture and it says here ready, probably. I'll click there and then here it says in which album I'm going to add this and in which group and who's gonna see it. So am I gonna say something about this? And it says here in the top, place. So I'm placing it. And it will take some time, and there, plop, it's there. So that's one way. So I'm going to the next thing. So my group, I have two groups. One is called Picture for Life and the other one is low budget mixed media with Picture for Life, so you can find me. Okay, so I'm going to a group now. And here we have the same thing again. So I'm in this group, I'm going to albums again, find the album I want to add something to. So again, add photo, find your photo and do it the same way. Okay, so that's one way. The other one is just click there, add a photo, and for purposes sake I will pick a photo and don't do anything. And then you said it says here album. So click there, and here you have the albums where you can place it in, and the rest is just exactly the same as I did before. So those are the two ways this one is going. So one is just directly from here, add your photo and then add your group when this icon is popping up. And the other way is to scroll on the top to albums, find the right album, go to your picture and add it from there. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and I hope to see your pictures in the albums on Facebook. Bye bye everybody!